everyone, this is my new video about the security system in air and naval transport. Aircraft security system is very important because must be maintained, controlled and ordered so that in the same way the aircraft can be in the best condition when marking the flight. How does a security system work? It is defined as level of protection against possible risks, dangers, deficits, or crimes that may negatively affect the integrity of a person. The aircraft security system is made of different operation and security systems. In my opinion, this must be very important and do the safety of the people. I have chosen two more relevant one include the safety of the entire plane and it described. The operational safety system SMS. This system is designed to continually improve safety. The SMS seeks to contain the risks before they cause accidents and aviation incidents. Traffic alert and collision avoidance system. The TCAS is a board system that could have possible collision between different aircraft and works specifically for air traffic service. For me, it is important because this system helps prevent the aircraft from having an accident on its journey. It is very necessary that it takes people to their destination without any problem. The flight radar is the easiest way to follow the flight as air traffic decreases. The importance of radar decreases, more and more flight moves be controlled. Therefore, the consolidation of the radar system has been a definitive step for the development of aviation. In my opinion, it is very important because B-flight radar helps us to detect different risks and dangers than the plane. Call safety which they were having on alert these warnings the aircraft can follow instruction to ensure for and flight. Storm sensors. The plane are the safest transportation in the world, but that doesn't mean they are invulnerable. Meteorological agents play a very important role in each flight and it is not the exception to flight with a slight turbulence that due to in the wind or highly storm. But thanks to a new sensor system, it is will allow planes to cross an electrical storm without any damaging the storm detection system measure and analysis the electrostatic and electromagnetic field using two sensors to allow evaluating the risk of electrical storm. The concept of the research indicates that it was necessary to install sensors that detect the accumulation of possible electric charge to control this with a negative charge storage. In this way, the aircraft will be prevented from being structured right night and thus the duty is replaced, causing these inconveniences. What is the board and how does it work? It is a radio navigation I use the aircraft to follow the prescribed route in flight. Generally, a board ground station is found in its major airport. In addition to others route, its constitution is the so-called fixed station. The points over which the route forward be the pilot must pass. A rotation directional signal is transmitted from the board, while a second omnidirectional signal is transmitted only when the rotary signal passes north. Equipment repair and maintenance. Aircraft maintenance checks are the periodic inspection that a commercial civil aircraft must have after certain time or after a specific use. Military aircraft usually for a specific maintenance programs which may or may not be similar a commercial civil aircraft. The time intervals stipulated between the different maintenance inspections Depending on the boat is the master of the island and the operator of the island sus revise usually depend on the total number of racers, the aircraft, and the number of cycles is the sum. It is a fundamental maintenance to preserve the storage integrity and extend the success forward. Life of the equipment within the rocks, great structural effort during its operational in all types of aircraft carrying of personal and cargo transport missions. The height sensors. The safety we hold the road is the most important. Milestones that must be taken into account with this ink. Building and detecting is a brain data computer. The main concern is that the probable data on the environment and the state of the airplane. These devices are small radars that measure the difference in altitude between the point where it is located with respect to the ground. The speed sensor. In aviation, everything is complicated. Everything has many buttons and everything is different from what a truck or bus can be, but once on these flying books are now, they are easier to understand that one thinks it is enough to put a little interesting, so that everything becomes clear to you. And for course innovation explaining how the ghost of the meteorite with that flies around 10 kilometers high works. The aerodynamic speed indicator or anemometer measure to the speed of the plane, expressed in knots or in miles per hour, with respect to the mass of air around the aircraft. On the other hand, safety on boats and boat is also very important. In my opinion, they must be very safe on their trade and being the complete rebuild of their sensor motors and other security and components in the take CSBO as successful trip. This section contains instructions on how to board ships safely. Legislation requires our ship's captain to provide safe means to board and disembark people. How does a ship radar work? Its operation is based on emitting a radio pulse, which is reflected in the objective and is typically received in the same positive for the transmitter. The pressure sensors. It is device capable of measuring the pressure of gases leaks. In this context, pressure is an expression of the force necessary to prevent the expansion of the ship. The nautical probe. A nautical probe is an instrument to determine the vertical descent between the bottom of the scumbit and certain part of the hull of a vessel. Thermometers. It is a fire alarm device designed to respond with thermal energy. The connection or a fire increase the temperature of a heat-sensitive element. It is part of a fire detection system. In my opinion, safety in our vehicles must be very important. Maintenance and following sensor is a way of being informed of what is going to happen. It is very important that our equipment for which is the aircraft and other vehicles their concentration must be in the best operation to carry out a try of better comfort. Taking people to take destination involves many risks. Because of this, our program must be in their best performance. Before starting the try finally, the pilot must do their part to make a try with the best responsibility and everyone arrives at their destination in the best condition.